Got a mission. The dump shed. We've got to sort this mess out. Have we got enough space in here to move everything around? Thrown into this mix is the missus has gone on holiday for a couple weeks. So I am left alone with the dogs, with a job, with the unit. We're going to get these two tied out. Let's go out for a bit of a trek and then we're going to sort that shed out. Come on. We fit in nice there, didn't we? There's a small chance of you having a swim, Lems. Come on. Alright guys, side mission. Let's take these dogs out. So if you're starting a business like me, and your very first steps are trying to finish your full-time job and get your business started, it's tough life, it's not easy. Dogs sorted, mission 1 complete. Let's go sort a tool shed. Back home, girls. Let's get lid on. Go inside, have a shower. So you like getting wet when it's muddy, horrible water? When it's nice, clean. Don't like a shower. Dogs are done. We are going to clean this place and organise because every minute I waste in this shed delays opening. Still using the electrical tape to do these shots. How much electrical tape are you guys using per video? Last week in my first video, I could not find this tool. I spent about half an hour looking for it, wasted my time. Had to use a bit of a botch job. I used this one actually. So, we're making a bit of a pile. We've got tool pile and we've got just random, what is that pile? Coming to terms with this wasn't actually a tool shed, this was just a dumping shed, so let's turn it into a tool shed. I literally thought this is going to take me an hour. Taking me that long, just dump it all on the floor. Issue. Everything's dumped out of here. The shed is only half empty, so we need a solution. Idea is we're gonna wipe all this down, give it a quick hoover, and we're gonna arrange this side of the shelf first, so then we can clear all that stuff back into here, or at least some of it, and then get the rest out. If you know me, you know I love to hoover. I commit to this being car tools only. We're labelling, we're organising. We've got a lot of sanding tools, so we're dedicating a whole box just to sanding. If you do sanding, worst job. I think this is too perfect not to store all the batteries in. Don't be like me, living messy. Got ourselves a plumbing box, guys. Ta-ta. Turns out we've got an actual toolbox. It's full of crap. Let's sort this mess. Made ourselves a bit of room. Organised half of in here. So all this stuff is looking nice, nice. So all this stuff looking nice and neat. Can actually find some tools now. All this stuff still needs sorting. So let's gut this off of the room. Get it out there into the clear. Final stretch. I haven't got a light bulb box yet. I have now. Found your next birthday present, Mum. Actually, Christmas present. A 100-year-old body yogurt. Not sure what my missus has been up to. We're finally clear. It took way longer than I expected. Let's get it all hoovered. We haven't got that much rubbish left to root through, and tools are looking a bit more tidy, so let's finish off loading everything into there and then we'll do the grand tour. Finally there. Give the floor a clean, we give that big nice sweep, and got ourselves a little pizza making area over this way, and then final reveal, bada beach, bada boosh, we're actually clearing here. We've got some space. We've got our box for sanding, box for plumbing, box of all our screws in, box of all our tape in. We've got drill bits. We've got a bit of WD-40 and a bit of PPE around this way. We've got a toolbox full of my tools actually organised now. on, show you a little glint. Boom, bash, beesh. Stuff in there. We turned this into a bit of a tool store. Turns out I've only got 2 tools. That sounds a bit weird, doesn't it? But I'm sure there's some lying about somewhere, so we can start getting this filled up later on as we go along. And now we've turned this one into our battery space because we don't need that many batteries. And this side we're going to leave clear so we can just do a bit of work. We can get a bit of paper out and jot stuff down. And then down here we got, that's for the car, got the car jack and everything in. And then these 2 boxes are painting. So, jobs are good. I think it's time, go inside, get a quick shower, do some video editing, and I'll catch you in a minute. Right guys, finally back home. Got ourselves a brew. Let's get comfy. If you stuck around this long and you just watched me clean a tool shed out, then thanks very much. If you want to see a bit more of this content, it's going to get a bit more interesting. Next episode, we're eyeing up, going to get all the catering equipment out and see what we've got there. Click the sub button, will you? Because small channel, no one's watching. So if you are, then click the sub, follow me along. I'm Ryan, and we're starting a catering journey together. If you've not seen any of my other videos, click that. Click one of those buttons up there.